Hello, I'm Jamison Spencer. It's my pleasure to invite you to participate in the California Dental Association's first Sleep Medicine Study Club. Now, this is a new offering from the CDA. I am honored to be involved with it. Let me tell you how this is going to work. So the study club is going to consist of some pre-CDA Presents videos that you'll receive, a hands-on program at CDA Presents, and then some follow-up Q&A sessions a few months after the event. So let me go over that individually. So prior to CDA Presents in Anaheim, you will receive 3 recorded sessions. These will be about 45 minutes to an hour in length and given to you in such a way that you can view it at your convenience, be that in between patients or in an evening or whatever you want, but you'll be able to watch that didactic content that will prepare you to hit the ground running during our hands-on session at CDA Presents. The hands-on sessions will be held on Saturday, the 20th. What we're going to do there is take a patient from initial screening to final follow-up. What I mean by that is we'll go over everything from an initial screening form to how to work with your medical community for diagnosis, to how to determine which appliance you may select for that patient. You're going to learn a lot in this course, but something's going to come up and you're like, well, I don't remember that being covered, or I'm not sure how that applies what was taught to this exact scenario. So that's why we're going to have these Q&A sessions. The Q&A sessions will be held on June 15th and on August 17th, and those will be live via Zoom. So that's it. CDA Presents Sleep Medicine Study Club, the first time this has been offered. I hope to see you there.